Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious beef and vegetable chow mein noodles stir fry. This is an easy, delicious recipe I love to make for my family. Let's get started. We're going to start by thinly slicing some flank steak. When you're cutting flank steak, make sure you cut it against the grain, just like I'm doing. If you cut it across the grain, it will become very tough when you cook it. Once the steak is all sliced up, transfer it into a mixing bowl and then set it aside while we put together the chow mein sauce. In a cup, add together some chicken broth, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, brown sugar, some cornstarch, and minced garlic. Mix everything together very well, then pour half of the mixture onto the flank steak and keep the other half for later. Mix everything together, then allow the steak to marinate in the sauce for 15 to 30 minutes. Next, heat up some oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil gets very hot, add the marinated flank steak. Arrange the meat into a single layer, then cook until it has turned golden brown and it is no longer pink, about 2 minutes on each side. Once the meat has cooked, take it out of the pan and set it aside for later. Next, we're going to saute some vegetables. I have here some bean sprout, snap peas, and a sliced onion. Turn your heat up to high, then cook first the snap peas and onion. Saute on high heat for 1 minute to develop a little bit of color, then add the bean sprout. Next, add a few teaspoons of the chow mein sauce we made, then saute everything together for a few seconds. Make sure you don't overcook this. We want the vegetables to retain their crisp. Push the veggies to the side of the pan, then add some stir-fry noodles cooked according to package instruction. Pour in the remaining chow mein sauce, then stir-fry the noodles on high heat for 1 minute. Once the noodles have stir-fried and the sauce has thickened onto the noodles, add the cooked flank steak. Mix everything together and let this cook for a few more seconds on high heat. Then this delicious beef and vegetable chow mein noodles is ready to be enjoyed. The steak is tender and packed with so much flavor. The vegetables are very delicious and the noodles are really tasty. If you would like to make this delicious steak and vegetable chow mein recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.